Hello guys. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Hayden Thomas, one of my friends. So I think you should go check his channel out and give him some subscribers. Also, subscribe to his brother, Crazy Creeper. Today, I'm going to be making a comedy video to show you how to not treat a baby chicken egg. So let's do it!
Just do it!
Well, they say to keep a baby chicken egg warm. So that's what I'm gonna do. Warm enough. Why won't you hatch? Hatch! 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 I said hatch! Was that the baby chicken? Oh man, oh man!